Alright, I finally got the walls installed in this shed and put some shelves in, 4 shelves that I bought from the same manufacturer that made the shed. And so all I gotta do is put the roof on and the door and I'll be done. This has been rather time consuming. I've got 9 hours of assembly time in this thing so far. But once it's all done, it'll serve our purpose. I had 2 minor mishaps assembling these shelves. I had to mark this hole from underneath. And I marked it and drilled it, and it was in the wrong location, so I patched that hole with some Bondo paint it. No big deal. And then these bolts, I need to hand tighten them. These shells are just real thin aluminum with this honeycomb pattern on the side here. So this thing, you tighten it with a socket wrench, it tightens too tight and cramps that, but that's no big deal. So now I'm trying to attach this side piece to the edge of the roof, and I got a good alignment here. There's a hole there where you put a screw in. So here, that one has good alignment. So I can get in there and take a look at that. Back out a little bit. There we go. So that one lines up. It's in the center. You can see it's not quite aligned. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Dremel to make that hole bigger so I can get the screw more to the right. Because I'm not able to move this lateral piece one way or the other. Alright. Yep. Alright, let's see if I can adjust this hole a little bit. That should do it. I got a screw in there.